When it comes to home improvement projects, particularly window and door installations, homeowners in Redmond, Washington, are often faced with a wide array of choices. From choosing the right materials to selecting a reliable contractor, the process can seem daunting. However, more and more Redmond homeowners are choosing to work with local window and door experts. But what makes local professionals the preferred choice for so many? Here's why Redmond homeowners trust local window and door experts and why you should consider working with them for your next project. Personalized service and expertise. One of the biggest advantages of working with local window and door experts is the personalized service they provide. Local professionals understand the specific needs of Redmond homes, which can vary from traditional craftsman-style houses to modern townhomes or newer, eco-conscious builds. They know the local climate and how it affects window and door performance, particularly in the Pacific Northwest wet, chilly winters and mild summers. By hiring a local expert, you're more likely to receive a tailored solution that aligns with both your home's design and its practical requirements. Local window and door experts offer custom recommendations, ensuring that you get the right materials, styles, and features suited to your home. Whether you're focused on improving energy efficiency, security, or simply upgrading your home's aesthetics, they can provide recommendations that suit your needs and budget. In-depth knowledge of local regulation. In Redmond, home improvement projects are subject to local building codes and regulations, which can be different from those in neighboring cities. Local window and door experts are well versed in these requirements and can ensure that your project meets all local codes, including permits, safety standards, and energy efficiency guidelines. For example, some areas of Redmond may have stricter requirements for energy-efficient windows or specific types of doors that need to be installed in order to meet safety standards. By working with a local expert, you won't have to worry about whether your windows or doors are compliant with local laws. They handle all the paperwork and ensure your installation is legal, safe, and up to code. Reliability and reputation. When you choose a local window and door expert, you are more likely to work with a company that has built a solid reputation in the Redmond community. Local contractors rely on word of mouth and repeat business, so they are more motivated to deliver exceptional service. They understand that their reputation is tied to the community and are more likely to go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction. Additionally, local window and door experts are often more accessible and responsive than larger, national companies. If you have questions, concerns, or need adjustments, you can quickly get in touch with them. They take the time to listen and provide updates throughout the project, which can give homeowners peace of mind and confidence in their choice of contractor. Faster response and more convenient service. Redmond homeowners also benefit from the quick response times offered by local window and door experts. Local businesses don't have to deal with the long wait times that larger, national companies often face. Whether you need a quick consultation, a fast quote, or emergency service, local experts can respond promptly and efficiently. Moreover, the convenience of working with a local company is hard to beat. Local professionals are familiar with the area, which means they don't have to navigate unfamiliar neighborhoods or deal with traffic delays. This allows them to offer timely service and complete installations more quickly. High-quality products and sustainable solutions. Many local window and door experts offer a wide range of high-quality products that are specifically chosen to withstand the unique conditions of the Redmond area. These experts often work with trusted manufacturers that specialize in energy-efficient windows and doors suited for our climate. Whether you're looking for vinyl, fiberglass, or wooden windows, or steel or fiberglass doors, local companies provide options that are designed to last and perform well under the region's weather conditions. Additionally, many local experts are more likely to offer eco-friendly and sustainable options, such as energy-efficient windows that reduce heating and cooling costs, or doors made from sustainable materials. With Redmond's growing emphasis on sustainability, local professionals can guide you toward solutions that align with your environmental values while also improving your home's performance. Community connection and trust. Working with a local business allows you to build a relationship with people who care about your home and your community. Redmond window and door experts often live in the area, which means they have a vested interest in maintaining a positive reputation and building trust with their neighbors. This connection can make the entire process smoother and more enjoyable. Local contractors are invested in the community and are likely to provide better service and more competitive pricing to their neighbors. They understand the importance of delivering high-quality work, knowing that their success depends on repeat business and referrals from satisfied customers. Support for local economy. By choosing local window and door experts, you're helping to support the local economy and creating jobs within your community. Local businesses often source materials from nearby suppliers and subcontractors, further benefiting Redmond's economy. Supporting these companies helps ensure that the area remains vibrant and that small businesses continue to thrive. Conclusion. There are countless benefits to working with local window and door experts in Redmond. From personalized service and local knowledge of building codes to quicker response times and strong community ties, local contractors are uniquely positioned to offer outstanding service and results. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home's energy efficiency, security, or aesthetic appeal, choosing a trusted local professional will provide peace of mind, quality results, and a seamless experience. By investing in local expertise, you're not only improving your home but also contributing to the growth and success of your community.